Hi guys, welcome back to another stream session. So yeah, let's get right into this. So let's delete all the info we got here so we can do a fresh analysis for this trading day. Okay, now wait, like that. Okay, now let's get to the daily time frame, or let's go to the weekly actually. Okay, so weekly kind of flip bullish. As I said yesterday, I expect this move to happen, so to not breaking the low but continue moving upside. The daily time frame, kind of bullish, nice. We break above all these highs, so I'm gonna mark up these highs as a good resistance. Oh, what the fuck is this color right here? Let me change this to gray. Let's go for this gray. Okay, so good. Next, let's drop to the 12-hour time frame, because at this point I'm looking only for buys because we got these nice moves upside. Move on the upside. Let me change the color again. Dark gray. This is perfect. Good. Okay, so yeah, as we can see, we had this resistance upside. I'm gonna make this thicker. Thinner. Okay. Now let's take a look on the 8-hour time frame. 8 hour is kind of, I don't like the way it formed right now, because it's like it's kind of big week on the upside, so yeah, I don't like that. But let's drop to the 4-hour time frame. Well, the 4-hour closed bullish and then break above. It's pretty good. All I want to see right now for an entry is to form a support on 1 hour. Oh, on 1 hour it's kind of nice. Let's take a look on the 3-minute time frame. Oh yeah, pretty nice on 3 minutes too. Drop to the 50 minutes time frame. Yeah, I think the best way we can entry, or I can take a trade on that, it's to, for me, either I can take a trade somewhere over here because it's the drop and I expect it to move upside, but I better wait for a support to be formed. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. As I can take a look on the left hand side here. Wait, let's do this and that. So on the left hand side we have some resistances where we can get in trouble. So let's mark these resistances right here, another one right here, and another one right over here, and the last one I found it right here. Okay, so we got all these interest areas and zones, and as we can see at the first one we had this resistance right here, and the market just stopped right here. So yeah, now let's go for auto scroll and recharge shift here. Good. Yeah, I can do a I can try trade right here, but I don't know how far this terminal can drop. So what I'm gonna do is to wait for a structure to be formed on 50-minute time frame, and then if I'm gonna miss something, I'm going to buy above this area right here. We have enough pips, so yeah, kind of nice. For today, I guess we can do a bit more aggressive than usual because we have a very nice structure. So I can risk a bit more than usual. So yeah, all I want to see right now is just a candle, some candles closing bullish on 50 minutes. Because right now, if I'm gonna enter right here, it's like, damn, too risky. The 1 hour break its own low, so I've seen this many times, but you never knew. So yeah, better wait for some confirmation. better wait for some confirmation, because the 4 hour just started, so we can have a way lot of room to the downside for this wick to be formed on 4 hour. But yeah, kind of nice structure. Hopefully we don't get in a zone like where we can just drop even more from at this point. So just to be to form like a new structure on the 4 hour here. So yeah, at this point I'm gonna wait. I'm going to wait. All I have to do is just wait, like something like that. But some risky trades can be taken right here. I mean, I don't want to lose some money, but if I was gonna took some risky entries, there are gonna be some risky entries. So yeah, just going to wait at this point. Okay, so right now, um, the best way this candle can be made is to drop to form a kind of wick, and then I guess at the break of its own height I can get an entry, but yeah, another good entry can be taken when it breaks the high on 3 minutes, but after the 3 minute candle will be closed. So yeah, with I guess with the volume we can break some highs and like not dropping even more from that point here. Yeah, kind of. Let's try a trade here, okay? Let's try a trade at this point because of the volume. If we break this high, that'll be so good. Like, good entry. Another, like, if I wanna we are more aggressive, but I guess one entry is enough. Yeah, very aggressive. Also the 1 hour just flip bullish at that point, so maybe we can hit this week, this target too. We have to, we might see. Let's see how these candles are gonna close. Yeah, good targets are kept here probably, or even more higher. It depends. It depends on the volume that we had. But yeah. The best idea at this point is for the 50-minute candle to close like that. If this is about to close like that, damn, we can get some new entries because of the volume and the market structure here. So yeah, I'm gonna let it play. I think I'm gonna be out if the 1 hour candle will close bearish here, so yeah, or the 50-minute candle will close bearish, so yeah. Kind of. Yeah, that's on the 1 minute time frame, so yeah, 50-minute looks good. We have to wait. So yeah, I forget some. I forget to take a look at the news. So I'm going to the Forex Factory. So I'm going to the Forex Factory right now. Yeah, we don't have any high impact news today. So yeah, I think it can play it out. It can play it out. So yeah. We don't have we have only yellow news, which means it's not high impact news. So yeah, I guess this trade, it can play out very good. At this point, we break the high, we don't break the lows, we made this weak to the downside, which is like a retest on the higher time frames, also on 1 hour time frame here. I've seen many times that the candles break below the lows and then continue pushing up, so yeah, it looks pretty good. If you can have this candle close bullish or close above this level, yeah, I guess we can have another entry right here, because yeah, it's like a pretty nice structure. Let's take a look on the left hand side. As we can see, there is this is the resistance right here, but once we break above that and can get a close on the 50-minute time frame, I think we can have enough room for an upside move. 500 pips moves to the upside if it can breaks. But yeah, so far so good. This trade is in profit, so yeah, gotta wait. Yeah, kind of good 50-minute push and good 50-minute candle right here. Also, I'm going to secure at the top of the 5224, at the 5224. I guess I'm going to secure not 90%, but yeah, I'll see. I'll take a look. I don't know, because the way the candle is formed right now, it's like very, very beautiful. So it's like, I don't want to get out of the trade that early, but we'll see. We'll see. Also, the stops would be kept below this 15-minute time frame right here because the way it forms looks pretty good to me. So like pretty good stop right here. So yeah, so far so good. So for someone who is not in the trade, like who don't get this entry right here, we can easily wait for this candle, this 15-minute candle to close in like 7 minutes, which means the 30-minute candle close. And I can say like it can be an easy entry after the break of the highs or the on high on the 30-minute time frame. So yeah, kind of good. Like waiting for a 15-minute candle to make its own wick, and then it can goes up. But we have to wait several more minutes because it's like 4:23 and yeah, 4:30 it's gonna be the candle close for 30-minute time frame. So yeah, kind of good. And the target for the first entry is like this week right here. But if you can break this week, I want to see the volume. But if you can break this week right here, I'm gonna stick to this trade and keep it. So yeah, because it can move even more. So yeah, I mean there's a at this point. I mean right now 6 more minutes, but at this point this is a very bullish candle for me. I mean for the world market, it's like yeah, pretty bullish. And I also like the way structure was made here with the drop for the retest with the free bearish candle and then this bullish candle. Then that's nice, man. That's a nice structure. So yeah, we gotta wait. So yeah, hopefully this move after the terminate candle will be closed. Hopefully will not be like a very huge move to the downside to make the week for the next candle. But yeah, I guess good entries can be kept above this high right here, and also above this high on the 15-minute candle, which can be also like almost above um, this high here. So yeah, somewhere here can be a very good entry, and still can be like, if you got the same target for the 1 hour week, it can be also a good, very good target, like 130 pips. Yeah, kind of good. I guess it can play out good. At least the 15-minute candle, it's had a very good closure, and also the terminate. I'm not gonna lie, the terminate, it's it it don't look perfect, but yeah, looks good. So yeah, finally we have this candle close bullish on 50 minutes. So yeah, at this point right here, we can continue moving to the upside. So if I wasn't in this trade, I will entry right here for the expectation of reaching this high. So yeah, it can be a pretty good entry for this closure. It can be a pretty good entry on the 15-minute time frame. So, and also because we had a lot of volume, we can break, I guess we can break above this high, but we have to be careful. So yeah, yeah, kind of good, kind of good. Yes. Probably if I wanna take another trade, like a very risky one, I will entry above all this high and keep the stops below here. But I mean, with the expectation of not coming back down. So this will be our low for this candle. So yeah, be kind of good. And also on the 5 minute time frame, it looks good, but I'm not trading the 5 minutes. So yeah, yeah. If we are gonna break this, we can keep the stops right here. It's like an 80 pip stop, and yeah, maybe we have some room to the upside, but we have to wait also because the candle just opened. But yeah, there's a lot of volume. I'm not gonna lie, there is a lot of volume. So yeah, new entries can be kept here. I mean, looks good to me. At least if you can break on the 15-minute time frame, I expect to see a bigger move because of the volume. So yeah, and also we don't have news, like it can be just technical analysis uh, expectation right here because we don't have the news, but we got this wonderful structure. So yeah, very bullish structure, very bullish structure with very good close on this support right here to keep um, upside the support. So yeah, kind of good. And also the left hand side here, then we have a lot of room. I mean, at least this point here, 52.75. Yeah, I guess we good. Yeah, I guess we good. Yeah, we have to let it play. And another good thing is that we push a bit more to the downside for the week, to form, because the first one was like too early, I guess, to entry to enter here and have a stop like right here. But yeah, yeah, looks good. Still looks good. Okay, so at this point, if the 30-minute candle will break this high, I'm gonna enter in another position. Actually, I'm gonna place a buy stop. Now I'm gonna enter manually. Yeah, because it looks very well right now. We have two nice candles and formation right here, and if we got a break above this high, I guess we good for. I'm gonna set a buy stop above this, above this high right here. So yeah, looks perfectly nice, looks pretty well on the 15-minute time frame, on 30-minute time frame, looks pretty good. So the stops, all the stops, I mean for the first and second position, will be kept at this point right here, but only entering the position once we break this high. So once we break it, and the first target will be the wick on the 1 hour. Wick on the 1 hour, pretty nice, pretty good, yeah. And then I just let the rest run. Yeah, and I guess it's like, for me right now, it's like, I don't know, 80% chance for this target to be reached. Even the first target, 80% chance. If in 1 minute we can get this 5-minute candle closing like that bullish, I guess makes its own wick, and then we can break above this high. But so far looks pretty good. And yeah, something like that. That's a setup I want to trade. It's like the perfect setup, to be honest, for me personally. Looks like the perfect setup. Wait, gotta delete this and make this right here. Okay, good. So yeah, once we break the high, very good stop for the second position, and the both stop losses will be kept at this point here. But I'm about to manage the first position. So the first position, once it's hit my my break even, if it's about to hit my break even, I'm going to cut, let's say, 50% of it, because I mean, I'm going to take some risk off the table, but so far went good, so I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I don't know, it might be like a flash to the downside, and then to go back in profits, but I guess we never knew, so we have to manage the position that we have, so yeah. And also will not be like a big deal, because I mean, we have the second position that we want to trade, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if we also it doesn't matter the money, like monies are in the second place all the time. What matters is how we react to the market conditions and how we react on the long-term run, not on a single trade, because it means basically nothing. A trade in a month or a trade in a year or something like that is like means nothing, dude. You gotta respect your plan. So if I got the chance to cut some percentages of the trade, I'm gonna cut them, because I'm not gonna take the full stop. I'm going to take only like what, 50%. So yeah, look, it's happened now. Not like that. Let's put this a bit right here. Okay, so if this is about a flash on the downside to hit my stop, I will close 50%. 50% of the position, as long as we stay to the upside. I'm not gonna take any action. And also, let's say we break the high, I'm gonna keep all the stop losses right here. So the first position will be closed like full at the break even, and I'm going to take only this position risk. So yeah, kind of good. To be honest, what I wanna see is like goes the both full position goes in profits, and that's it. That trade for the day, and pretty much not taking any trade after that. But we never knew, you know. And also we gotta wait. I guess after these move to the upside, the market had to like make its own game, you know. Yeah, the way the 5 minute candle closed here, oh my god, looks like disgusting, to be honest. So also the 50 minute time frame closed bearish. Damn, I'm not gonna stick to this position. So if it's about a break, like I'm gonna close it to the break even, full position, close it to the break even. Damn, the time flies, dude. And I wonder right now if I should re-entry right here if, let's say, we start to continue moving to the upside. Very hard to tell, to be honest. At this point, I don't like the 50 minute way it forms. I don't like it. I only like the 30 minute candle. Let's say I'm going to stick to the 30 minutes. Let's say if we can break above this high, maybe I can give it a chance. But the way 50 minutes form here is like fucking disgusting. So I'm gonna stick my stop loss right here because I don't want to lose any money. Because today, I mean this week, I'm full in profit. So yeah, why do I want to lose money today? Yeah, we have it's ranging. It's just ranging. Let's take a look on the 1 minute. On the fucking 1 minute, it's just ranging. So yeah, I guess it's pretty hard to take a trade right here. Maybe the next candle, if let's say we have like an opportunity for this candle to continue moving to the upside, and then I mean close above this point here, above this resistance right here, maybe we can have a re-entry right here in this area, because on the left hand side that's a pretty good area to trade. But right now, hard to tell, dude. Very hard to tell. Also, if the first scenario will happen right here, let's say we break the high, there'll be another good support area right here formed on 50 minutes time frame. So if this current candle will close bullish, we have this minor support. So I'm gonna keep the stops exactly what I said, where I said below these candles right here. So yeah, it can be still a very good trade opportunity. So yeah, all we have to do is wait. Basically, is wait. Also, if this 15-minute candle will close bullish, I mean we have 30 more minutes for this to close. So yeah, we gotta wait. So while we waiting for this gold to move, let's see. I saw you guys talking about Bitcoin on the YouTube chat. So let's see if we got Bitcoin right here. So oh, actually we got Bitcoin. So wait, let me put it on the chart. New chart. So crypto Bitcoin. Okay. What the fuck? Pound USD. The fuck is wrong? Wait. What the fuck? Then let's do for pound USD, I guess. No, what the fuck? It doesn't work like that. Okay. Close this. Let's go for Bitcoin again. The fuck is this bug on? Okay, now we have Bitcoin right now. Okay, so let's put a template. So this is my template. Oh, look how bullish this is. So you guys talking about I don't know what I believe in a good sell on Bitcoin this week or not. You will not go lower than 65k, 60k. Oh, okay. Let's take a look on the daily time frame because I guess you guys don't trade Bitcoin like intraday. So yeah, looks kind of. I mean, you can say that there's a support here, but if you take a look on the left hand side, there's not a fucking support. That's like a fucking huge downfall of Bitcoin. So what the fuck? I still have some info on the charts. What the fuck is that? No trade area. What? No trade area for what, dude? Guys, let me delete this one. I don't trade Bitcoin anyway. Or I can trade Bitcoin. I mean, if I want to. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, I don't think so, dude. I don't know if Bitcoin will be bullish, to be honest. I think we just have this like range here, and it can like fall even more. But at this point, all the cryptocurrencies are shit. Like nobody talking about Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So yeah, I don't think there's like, I don't know. No, it's not valid. So yeah, 8 more minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, and also the 30-minute candle to close. We have also the 1 hour time frame closing on the 8 minutes. So yeah, maybe, I mean, hopefully we'll not see a very big rejection for the hourly time frame to hit this stop right here, but we'll see. We gotta wait. So we about to wait 8 more minutes. And also, the only reason I kept this stop loss to the break even is because I um, I increased a bit my lot size because of the structure that I've seen. So this is why I don't want to lose money, because will be like a lot of money if I'm gonna stick to down here. Yeah, I am curious now how much is, god fucking damn it, is my profits from all the week. I mean, like profits from 2 days, so yeah, it's not that big. Also, I'm not sure about this entry here. I'm gonna delete it for this moment because it's close to the 1 hour closure, and I don't want to risk that entering the position and then dropping like shit. Even if it's like goes even more to the upside, I'm not gonna risk it. So yeah. I have to wait, dude. It looks good. Nothing to say. Looks good. But as long as I have this increased lot size, I don't know, we're in a dangerous area right here on 1 hour time frame, because I'm pretty sure we can see some moves to the downside even with this candle closing bullish like that. So yeah, it'll be kind of interesting. But I guess if I'm gonna take a stop loss, I mean a break-even stop, I can re-entry. I can wait and re-entry to the in this trade later on. So yeah, kind of good plan, right? Also, I don't know why the like this the volume drops very hard since I've been to the I've been live like in the last 50 minutes. So in the last 50 minutes, there was like a push of 250 pips, and after getting a trade, it went only just like 90 pips. Oh yeah. Yeah, also this indecision right here, we have this minor resistance also, so we also have this minor resistance. Yeah, very hard to tell, dude. 4 minutes, so four more candles, 1 minute candles to close. And if you can see candle close here above this resistance area, we might see a very good push from the 1 hour time frame too. So yeah, lower, I don't have any more expectation for this week to be filled on this 1 hour candle. I'm thinking about how is it if I'm going to take some profits off the table right now, because I have the 1 hour candle to close, but at the same time I'm thinking about money. So I know it's not the right decision, but also the stop loss is very close. So fuck, it's so fucking annoying. Maybe should I keep my stop here? Yeah, I guess I'm gonna keep my stop. Yeah, I'm gonna take this loss. It's like half that it's down here. It's fucking hard to think right now, to think properly, but yeah, on 15 minutes looks better if I'm gonna keep the stop here, and let's say only close 50%, or that's like fucked. I'm thinking about like closing some percentages because I don't see any move, and I'm a bit afraid of that. Also, it looks fucking great, dude. Nah, you know what? No, I'm not going to exit it just because it's a fear in me, like of losing money. No, I'm gonna accept the loss on the break even. So if the next candle will like be, I mean, go straight to my stop loss, I'll be okay. Fuck this shit, dude. I'll be okay. So yeah. Also, I mean, these fucking moves, fucking shit, dude. It depends on the 30-minute too. But if we can't close like that, I'm gonna close the wall position. Fuck it. Yeah, it closed bearish. I'm closing the wall position here because it doesn't play as I wanna play. So maybe we have a drop right now. I mean, it's the. I'm 80% sure it will take my stop if I kept this position. So my stop loss was it was right here. So yeah, at this point, god damn, look at that. Yeah, tricked me a bit, but let's lower the lot size and maybe, I mean, I don't know, dude. I need some candle to close bullish. I mean, more bullish than that, but it also can be a very good push to the upside on 1 hour time frame. So yeah, I guess we good if we are breaking this high. Oh no, sell, what the fuck? I entered the sell, what the fuck? Yeah, let's see if we can continue this move to the upside right now. Stops are kept in below this minor resistance. I mean this minor support which is formed right here. Yeah, let's see if we have enough. And maybe, I mean, we can take another entry if we break the high again on the 1 hour. So yeah, I don't know how much do I wait for the history. $60. Very good. But let's see if we can continue to the upside. Oh, it enters my second position here on 1 hour. It breaks the high on 1 hour. Okay, pretty good. Let's see if we have enough volume to continue and move further. Yep, gotta wait again. So yeah, what I'm gonna do right now is just to stick with these two positions. If this will be a stop loss hit here, I'll be okay. I mean, I'll be good because I lose some dollars, not that much. I'll be okay with the loss. And try to hit the second target right here, because on the 2 hour time frame we got very good stop loss kept below the this week. So I guess with the volume and the New York volume, we can break above this high and easily can go to the, like, securing some for the first target, which is right here. And yeah, pretty much this is the plan. So I'm not gonna re-entry, or I'm not going to take another trades, even if it's going to the upside even more. I don't care, I'll be good with that. So yeah, pretty much that's it. So pretty much that's it for today. These are my ideas. So yeah, something like that. So yeah, gotta wait. Love the way candles are forming, but we never knew. So this is why exit the first position, which were kept lower, but yeah, something like that. Good. Okay, so we reached the first target here, which is looks good. Yeah, what I want to do right now is to take some profits off the table. Let's see if you can break this high. If you can break this high, I mean, nah, let's secure. I don't care. I secure a position, and what I want to do next is to move the stop at the break even for this position right here, and let the rest run. Let the rest run to see if we can hit some targets, and hopefully if we can hit this target here, I can take I mean some profits off the table. So yeah, I don't know. I got like 2 buys here, dude. So I secure one, and one is the break even right now. So yeah. Yeah, most of the cases this will just drop and then continue moving up, but I don't know. We also have a chance for this to continue moving, but yeah, I think I'm going to take the risk and let the second position run at the break even with full risk. I mean full risk, which is like no more profits for me, but I guess I made some profits today, so I've made $115. I'm okay. 115, yeah, I guess good profits. So yeah, I'm gonna let this run, and that's it. Well, yeah, kind of pretty money. Yeah, good money for food though, but I mean, I was in a better position from down here, but I don't keep this because I were like, uh, I over leverage a bit. I mean, not over leverage, but I just put like my normal lot size. It's around 0.5, 0.7, and not zero. I mean 0.05 or 0.07, and that position were like 0.14. So just because the structure, I was right about it, but I was afraid not to lose my profits for the week. So I said, dude, fuck off, not gonna keep that position, and I re-entry once we break above the high. So that was also a good entry, but with my normal lot size, which was like 0.05. So I mean 0.05 for this account, it's great. Oh, right now we almost break this high, and if we break it, we have some more room to the upside. To be honest, like a lot of room, at least 500 pips for on the 2-hour time frame right here. That's nice, and also on the 10-minute time frame we can go to, so the chart scroll like that, and if you're moving to the, take a look right here. Take a look how much room we have to the upside. 500 pips, and that's a good target. That's a very good target. Also, we have 9 more minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and can be good. So yeah, we have to wait. But yeah, I mean the idea is to like basically do this constantly every day, not once. You know what I'm saying, once a month or so or something. If I'm gonna trade like every day, I try to I'm trying to be consistent every day, like with no, you know, not uh, big losses or big wins, but constant wins or losses. So take a look at my. Wait, I start this account history. I mean not this account, but the I'm gonna show you my history from since I begin the live streaming. So I guess it was Wednesday. No, Thursday. It was Thursday. Yeah, yeah, Thursday. So yeah, Thursday. I made like almost 400. If I'm gonna close this, then it's like 400. And like in some days, so I have the max loss was minus 50, which is good. But yeah, the idea is to being consistent and pretty much like that. But I don't wanna show money, or I don't want to show like this kind of progress, but I wanna focus only on good setups and good trades, because this is what it makes you money. So yeah, that was the whole idea of the live streamings, not to like flexing or something with the profits. Was more like for the idea of showing good trades and taking the good trades on the on live streaming, because it keeps me more disciplined, and I also can take a look in the future on this live streaming and see, maybe I'll be down or something like that, and I'm gonna take a look on the live streaming and I'll be like, oh, okay, look what I did here, look what I did there. So I gotta wait, I gotta like watch the setups and things like that, and we trading very tough times, so very tough times. But think about the lot size. You lower the lot size all the way from the, like, if I'm gonna trade on $1,000 account, 0.10 lot size. Right now you can't trade on $1,000 more than like 0.05. Like um you minimize it a lot. So yeah, things like that. Um and yeah, so this is why I don't show money or things, because I only want to focus on the trade right here and the entry. I want to discipline myself to look only for good entries. Like, I want to be like a sniper, okay? So you have to wait, and that's the most important thing. Like, money comes in the second place. You're gonna make money, okay? So you're gonna make money if you're gonna stay disciplined. You're gonna like keep your losses small, or your losses will be like very few because you only took like 2 trades a day and things like that. You don't have to think about money. So as I said, money comes in the second place. As long as you took very good trades, money comes in the second place. So you know what I'm saying? That's the most important thing. So yeah, kinda. So yeah, the way it closed, well, it made me that I want to leave the trades like that. Not gonna re-entry, not gonna take any risks. I make some money today. I have this position. I'm okay. I'm fine. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna close the live stream. So yeah, see you tomorrow.